Real-time navigation of overlay slides in all new Adobe Captivate. Let's explore more with real-time navigation of overlay slides, as detailed in the Adobe Captivate user guide. Mark any slide as an overlay slide and strategically insert it at any point on your timeline. This functionality enables us to introduce additional interactive layers, thereby enhancing the overall learning experience and increasing learner engagement through enriched content interaction. Let's move forward with the same procedure we followed in the previous video for adding a bookmark and overlay slide. For more details about that video, check the description tab below. In this example, we will add a bookmark to a video. When the learner reaches the specified point, a pop-up message will appear as an overlay. This message allows the learner to get an additional information related to the video content at that precise moment. By using triggers, we can configure a slide to act as an overlay that appears when any designated bookmark is reached. The overlay slide will automatically pause once it reaches the end of its designated duration, allowing us to take any necessary actions before proceeding further. Let's preview the project. Normally the overlay slide will pause at the end of the slide. We have to select the play button on the play bar to return to the parent slide. In order to navigate back to the parent slide, we need to locate the play bar at the bottom of our screen and click on the play button. This action will resume the presentation from where we left off on the parent slide. In the next video, we will dive deeper into the next option by configuring the resume timeline action on the overlay slide. Like, subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications about upcoming videos featuring all the latest updates on Adobe Captivate.